Welcome back to the real crypto space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Pundi X.
As you know, this is not financial advice. However, this coin is very small and has a lot of volatility and risk. However, when the bull cycle happens, in my opinion, these coins will all rally up. And yeah, it's a very small coin.
But before we get into this video, please make sure you press subscribe, like, comment, and also follow our Instagram as well while you're at it. Thank you very much.
Okay, as we can see here, the market cap is still not available. So this coin is that small that you can't even see the market cap yet. This coin is a new version of the old Pundi X. There's many different types. The old Pundi X reached 1.2 billion market cap. And this coin is a very small coin. As you can see, the past volume this 24 hours was 199 million. So people are buying up 111%. So that's insane. And as you can see, the price right now is just going between $6, $7, $4, $5. So it's playing between that range. And as of now, this coin is still a perfect buy because the old Pundi X that reached 1.2 billion market cap, which is insane. So people are still buying up this coin, and it's available on many exchanges such as Binance, Indodax, OX Protocol, which is decentralized, and many other exchanges. But the main one I would say for the decentralized exchange would be Binance. And as you can see, the volume it's been going on really well, 42.43%. Confidence is high, and they're always updated. So this coin is well regulated in the crypto economy. And as you can see, we're currently just resting at $4.83, alright? And that may seem like a lot. However, as of now, we're just waiting for extra confirmation for the price to just go to astronomical numbers. So we're just waiting as of now.
And since it's on Binance, which is the main exchange, which is what most people use, it's very good for it when a coin is on there because it's more bought rather than if it's on KuCoin. It's not as bought as it would be if it's on Binance. Pundi X is a leading developer of the blockchain-powered devices. So what they've done is they've done the world's first point of sale solution, which is the XPOS, which actually enables merchants to spend their cryptocurrency in physical stores. So which is not really been done before at all. So you can use digital currency anytime, anywhere. So more and more businesses across the world are starting to use Pundi X solutions. So as cryptocurrency is growing over time, which is what we're seeing right now. So Pundi X will be huge, definitely, for what they're doing. So they provide a borderless payment ecosystem beyond fiat. So there are many reasons why people are now turning to digital currency. The main reason, obviously, decentralized. The most obvious use case is for transactions. But the digital currency also plays a key role in promoting financial inclusion, overcoming foreign exchange issues, and even mitigating the instability of fiat currency. So yeah, the main reason is just it's decentralized. The XPOS devices are already live in 30 plus markets globally, so it's global. And they're making digital currency transactions as easy as buying bottled water. So that would be one of the main issues for the average Joe. You'll say, oh, you can spend your cryptocurrencies in stores now, and they'll say, oh no, it's too complicated, or they'll just think they won't want to do it. But as it says here, it's as easy as buying bottled water, so it's an easy thing to use. So here are the countries they're operating in. So as you can see, they're all pretty much like first world countries. So they'll actually be used.
So the solutions of Pundi X is that it will allow for frictionless transactions. So with the Pundi X Pass, you can buy or sell with a single swipe. So this will allow for seamless transactions and mobile payment integration. So digital wallets with Pundi X supports can buy, and you can spend and accept digital currencies. So you can receive assets and you can send assets. Also, top-ups supported as well. So you can use your fiat or your bank card to top up your wallet. So the same thing that Coinbase or blockchain, you can do that with as well. And you can go with digital currencies at any Pundi X partner location. So anywhere you go, you can do this as well.
So as you can see from the roadmap, it's actually been a very long-term project. They started in 2018, and now, so if we look at the roadmap for what they've already done in 2020, so they've enabled XPOS to accept crypto payment from decentralized wallets, and they've launched the reseller program as well. And you can also develop buy crypto option on the XPOS for decentralized wallets. They've activated DeFi features in the X wallet. They've also set up XBOS distribution network in Argentina. And if we go for Q3, they've set up the XPOS distributor network in Europe, which is huge. They've also expanded the platform to non-Android based Pundi users. They've also provided an on-chain deposit on both distributor and merchant portals. So now if we look about what they're actually doing now. So Q1's finished now, so what they've done is they've recently expanded the XPOS platform to more Android based devices, and they explore decentralized functionalities on the XPOS network and launch more decentralized features on the X wallet. So this is what they've done. So the things they're going to be doing now, this quarter, is they're going to be setting up more XPOS distribution networks in Africa, test XPay for online merchants, and launch blockchain-based loyalty program for businesses. And for Q3, we'll know about this in the short term.
The good thing about Pundi X, out of all these good features that it has, such as instant transactions, top up with debit card, and work easily with XPass, supports multiple cross-chain digital currencies. The main one that stands out is that a stablecoin settlement without volatility. And this is something that we need because we don't have many of these nowadays. We've got USDT and we've got UST and we've got USDC. And the thing about fiat currencies such as the pound and the dollar, we can see that they are reducing in value 15% a year. So this is why we need to start applying them on a stable coin, something that consistently stays at the same price, the same value, that just constantly doesn't change. So it's only smarter for you to store your money in these investments and these crypto assets. And Pundi X making a stable coin that won't be affected by volatility is something that is amazing. And this is something that we need more of nowadays. And because we are still in the early stages of cryptocurrency, we are still waiting for more settlements and more stable coins as well, such as digital bits. That's going to have its own stable coin, and we'll be talking about that in future videos as well. But as of now, we're focusing on Pundi X, and it making a stable coin that without volatility is something that is amazing, and it's something that shows us the future for why Pundi X will be a great coin. As you can see, there's different types of the XPOS. There's the handy one, and there's a desk one, and there's a normal one. As you can see, if you just scroll down, there's many different stuff that applies to this, and as you can see, they don't have Visa or MasterCard or Apple Pay or Samsung Pay, which is something that they will potentially be doing. And as you can see, this causes more people to be intrigued in the project, and that's what we want. We want to be buying the rumor and selling the hype, all right? And currently, this is the rumor, okay? The price is at basically all-time low, and many people are starting to get involved as of now. And once they start accepting Apple Pay and Samsung Pay, I can almost see the price hitting crazy numbers, because this is what we need. We need something that we can pay Apple Pay with, since Apple is has a lot of consumers that Pundi X could potentially bring in, and also with Samsung and obviously Visa and MasterCard payments as well. So this is something that you need to keep aware of, and honestly, this is a solid project as of now.
So if you want to buy the XPOS, so if you want the so yeah, it's actually really cool. You have a reseller package as well, which currently isn't in stock, but you can get up to 5 units for $1,900. But if you just want one, just if you're a normal user, it's $450 as a one-time payment in the US anyway. And then it tells you how it all looks. So you can activate your card there. You have your card info, cashier, so to deposit and stuff. So yeah, it's very interesting device. So if we look at the XPass, this is just having the card. So you have the XPass Black for $5, and you have the XPass White for $4. If you have some information here about when you can use it, so you can use it on any XPass device to make payments or top up with more crypto. So what you need is you need this for this, basically. You need to have one of those and one of these to use it. So this is only just the cards. You can't do anything with just the card on its own. So if you just bought this separately and you didn't own the XPass, then you won't even be able to use it. So you need the XPass and the XPass to use the XPass or the XPass, if that makes any sense.
Overall, I would give this coin a 9.5 out of 10. And in my opinion, there's still a lot to go through from this coin. So $4.82 will potentially be history, as this is a solid project. And obviously this is not financial advice, but as you've seen about what the company does and why it is going to be changing the world, and even the scarcity of the coin right now. The scarcity with a maximum supply of 258 million. Currently, that is not a lot, and especially that there are not many countries, only 15 countries that this coin is operating in. And as soon as it starts operating in many different other countries and testing its network in them countries, we will potentially be seeing a surge in price and a surge in demand. And yeah, I think this coin is definitely worth a 9.5 out of 10 in my opinion. Altogether, it's 30 plus countries that it is currently operating, not 15 countries.
So I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is now the end of the video. But before this ends, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and also follow our Instagram as well. And have a lovely rest of your day.